Why do we need programming languages? Ever booked a cab, watched a movie, or texted someone on your phone? Your phone gets you, but how? It's all thanks to programming languages. They're not like English or Hindi, they're special languages we use to talk to computers. From apps to websites, nothing works without them. Programming equals the secret language of tech. Types of programming languages made simple. There are many programming languages, but don't worry, you don't need to learn them all. Here are a few you should know. Python, super beginner friendly, great for automation, data, and AI. Java, used for building Android apps. C, old but powerful, still runs behind the scenes in many systems. JavaScript, makes websites interactive and fun. Just pick one to start, the rest will make sense as you grow. Let us start introduction to Python. What is Python? Python is a simple and powerful programming language created in 1991 by Guido van Rossum. It's super easy to read and write, perfect for beginners. Used for web development, data analysis, AI and machine learning, automation. It works in many styles, like object-oriented and functional programming. Python equals easy plus powerful. Key features of Python. Simple and readable syntax. Python code resembles plain English, making it easier to write and understand. Interpreted language. Python code is executed line by line, which makes debugging easier. Cross-platform. Python runs on various operating systems including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Extensive libraries. Python has a vast collection of libraries and frameworks for different tasks. Community support. Python has a large active community that contributes to its growth and provides support. Come on, let us start with a basic program that prints the message "Hello World." Congratulations! You've successfully completed day 2 of the Learn Python in 30 Days challenge. Keep up the great work! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel Code with Ash Lesher and get ready for next video. Next video will be so much exciting.